Hello, this is Kathy at Mesquite Mountain Homestead, and someone asked me if I had a goal for I have hat head. Someone asked me if I had a goal for finishing this cabin. You know who you are. Anyway, so I went in and tried to make a timeline, because a lot of you are probably curious how long this is going to take. It's certainly taken me a while to get this back wall done, longer than I had expected. So I decided to write down everything I needed to do. I'm almost done with that front wall. I worked on it this morning. I have one more little section to do. And then I have to start my bottles in the wall, on the front wall and on this east wall. So I am figuring that I'll get that done here in the next week, of course. That shouldn't take too awful long. Then I'm going to start on this east wall, and it'll have a window in it, and then there'll only be 2 walls here that I have to build and fill with strong cob. So that shouldn't take very long. I put the 26th, it might be the 27th. Everything's a guess because it's just me, and you know, there's life things as well. I might have to go grocery shopping or do my laundry or something. You know, something will come up. And when I go to town, I usually go to the dump, and then I get my gas and propane. I might pick up some groceries. I try to do it all in one trip. So, I mean, this is all just based kind of loosely on what I'm trying to do, but I don't know how closely I'll be able to stick to this. It just depends. But anyhow, I'll get started on the east wall sometime around the last week of May, and then I should have that done by about the first week in June. I should have this east wall done. I'll have to do the bottles in here, and then up along the top, let me see if you can see. Up along the top, it slopes here. And I might be able to put some more bottle art up there. You know, bottles. I haven't decided how I'm going to do that yet. But when I frame in the pallets, there's going to be a space up there. And I don't know if I'll fill that with cob or try to, at least on one of them, I want to do maybe some kind of bottles up there. Would be neat. So if I do that, it'll probably take me it's going to take a little more time to do the top. We'll see. So east wall should be done mid-June, regardless. I should have that done mid-June. So then I'll start on this front wall, mid-June at the latest, because I was thinking the first week in June, I want to get started on this front wall. And I'm going to need to get this door installed on here. And I'll have 4 windows on the front. So I'll need to get those painted and framed. And then the bottom's filled with straw and do up above the windows with cob, of course, too. Now, the section up here that's going to be above the porch, I was thinking of putting that metal roofing that's on the roof, cutting that in that little section between the roof and the porch. There's going to be a section there, maybe a foot. And I was thinking of putting, because I won't be able to get up there easily to, now I'm thinking, I'm not getting any younger today. So I'm glad this is just a one story. But I was thinking, how would I get up on that roof to maintain the cob and the lime plaster? It would be too difficult. So I was thinking in that little section, I'll cut the metal roofing and put a strip of that above the porch roof. And then below the porch, of course, I will cob. So there's that to consider too. I have to make that section and put in the ledger board for the porch to run out from. So up above that ledger board would be my metal roofing. But I need to do the metal roofing on the porch first, because the metal roof needs to come down and then sit on top of that so the water will flow. I don't know. Am I getting crazy here? So I'm thinking anyhow, doing the front and getting the door in there should be done by about I have the 17th to install the door. And I don't know how long that will take me, because I've never built, I have all the boards to make the frame, but I've never done it before. So I'm going to be slow and careful. And, you know, that might take longer than it takes some people. So after I get that door in, I'm going to put in the plumbing over here, and I'll have to dig the hole for the sewer pipe. But after the plumbing's done, that'll put me getting towards the end of June. And then I'll have to do a window for the bathroom and a window over the kitchen sink, and get all those pallets filled with straw. So I'm thinking this whole wall over here, I'm hoping it'll be done by the end of the first week in July. I hope. But it seems like everything takes longer. I'm going to try real hard to stick to this plan and get these things done. But I know already by working on that front wall, back wall, the wall I'm working on took longer than I expected. So the second week in July, I've got to get the soffits up, and I don't think I have enough. I only have 2 sheets. So I don't think I have enough to do the whole thing. I'm pretty sure I have enough to do the sides. So when Mason, I don't have a truck. So when Mason gets back with his truck, then these other things that I need, like I'll need more sheets for the soffits and I don't know what else, but he'll be able to take me in his truck. I don't really want it. My car, I am so grateful for my car. It has been a good little van, really good. But it is an older car. I forget, 2005, I think. And I don't really trust it to drive all the way to Safford. I mean, I've never had any trouble with it. Well, we had a transmission line blew, and Mason fixed that for me, thank goodness. But other than that, I haven't had any trouble with that car, so I'm not complaining. I'm very grateful. I'm grateful for everything I have. I have been really so fortunate. Anyway, this isn't my gratitude video. So by the first week in July, I'll be working on the soffits, and I'll get as far as I can with those. And so, but anyway, I should be done with all of the outside by the first week in July. And it might go, like some things that I projected here may go faster, and some things may go slower. And I wanted to try at least to give you a timeline. But it's really difficult to tell. It really is. But I'll have this front, why do I keep calling it the front wall? I think because it faces my RV, so when I'm looking, it looks like it's the back wall that I'm working on. And I should have that done here in, I'm going to say 3 or 4 days on the outside. And I never got my blue bottles in the mail that I ordered. It just kept pushing the date out, pushing the date out, pushing the date. It was the only blue bottles I could find, and I just loved those blue bottles. But anyhow, they didn't show up. So I guess my walls are going to be green and white, my bottles. Or, yeah, probably green and white. So anyway, I really hope that that's a satisfying timeline for you. And of course, I'll be updating, usually weekly, or I'll put on a short during the week, things like that. But you'll be able to see how it's actually going. And we can always compare it to my list and see how I'm keeping up. Anyway, I appreciate all of you so much. I really do. And I have new subscribers. Welcome to you. And I just feel really fortunate that you're here. You all take care, and I'll see you real soon. Thanks so much.